Google has finally lifted the embargo on the YouTubers. So they have posted their opinions, comparison videos, and battery tests about the device, and also some of the speed tests has been uploaded by different YouTubers who has been provided the review unit for the Google Pixel 6 Pro devices. And honestly, looking at those reviews, I think that the Google Pixel 6 Pro is not the device which we were hoping of. In this video, we are going to be talking about all those reviews, comparison that has been made by different YouTubers. So starting from the Tensor chipset, well, basically it's that chipset which was super hyped that this is going to be a chipset that Google has made themselves, and like Apple, they're going to be optimizing that chipset to their software. But honestly, looking at the benchmark scores and real life tests and speed tests that has been performed by different YouTubers, I think that this is not going to be the device that we were hoping to be as fast as the Snapdragon 888, Exynos 2100, or even the A15 Bionic. But what we have learned that the Pixel 6 Pro device's Tensor chipset is not going to be as much fast as some of the other specification devices like the Exynos 2100. It may be coming closer towards those processor, but they are not outperforming that. They are even behind to the Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100, which definitely going to be a bummer for me because I was expecting that having a 2-core X2 will perform better as compared to the Cortex X1. Still, that hasn't been performing really great. Also, I think that this device might either be go a little bit on the harder side because we have seen in different devices when we have a Cortex X1 chip, it do have heating or throttling issues in some devices. So hoping that this might not be the case with the Google Pixel 6 Pro devices because it's coming with two different Xcore 2. Any of the speed test has been performed for the different devices by Speed Test G, which pretty much give us an idea that the S21 Ultra, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the Pixel 4a, the three different devices that has been utilized in the speed test, has given us that there is going to be a significantly less amount of difference between the Pixel 6 Pro and the S21 Ultra Exynos 2100 variant, whereas the iPhone 13 Pro Max is blazingly fast. It outperformed the Pixel 6 Pro Tensor chipset by quite a mile, whereas when they have speed test with the Pixel 4a, it's definitely going to be an upgrade from that because it performed really great on that kind of a speed test. Next, we have the camera performances that has been done by different YouTubers, which has provided one important detail about the Pixel 6 Pro cameras is that the main sensor of 50 megapixel is performing really great when it comes to photography, but when it comes to video, it's definitely going to be lagging behind when it's compared with the S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The final thing which we are going to talk about is the battery capacity. Well, we have the 5000 milliamp hour battery capacity inside the Google Pixel 6 Pro devices. It's kind of running on the same display in both the 120 Hz and the 60 Hz. You don't have any option to lower the resolution of the Pixel 6 Pro. And in the Z-Tech Care battery test, it has given us a detail that the Google Pixel 6 Pro has lost 8 hours and 10 minutes, which is definitely going to be a little bit less as compared to some of the best like the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the S21 Ultra, because of those reasons which I have mentioned in the video. And you guys, these are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.